In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete rows with shortcuts in Excel. First, open the Excel app and load the workbook you want to edit. Any file with a few rows of data will work. Once your sheet is open, click a cell in the row you plan to remove. It doesn't matter which cell in that row you choose. What matters is that the active cell is somewhere on that line, so the shortcut knows which row to target. To quickly select the entire row, press Shift plus spacebar. You'll see the whole row highlight from left to right, and the row number on the left will also be selected. If you need to select several adjacent rows, keep holding Shift and tap the up or down arrow keys to extend the selection. Take a moment to confirm you've highlighted exactly the rows you intend to remove, especially if the sheet contains formulas or totals that depend on that data. With the row or rows selected, delete them by pressing Ctrl and the minus key. If you selected a full row, Excel will remove it immediately and shift the remaining rows up. If you accidentally had only a few cells selected, Excel may prompt you with options. Choose entire row to avoid breaking the layout. If anything looks off after the deletion, remember you can instantly reverse it with Ctrl plus Z. That undo safety net is your best friend when working quickly. There's also a ribbon-based shortcut that achieves the same result without taking your hands off the keyboard. Press Alt, then H, then D, then R, one key at a time in sequence. This uses Excel's key tips to navigate to home, then delete sheet rows. It's especially handy if you're already using other Alt key shortcuts or if the Control minus method is blocked by a custom setting. As before, make sure the correct rows are selected before you trigger the command. A few quick tips as you work. After deleting, scan nearby formulas or totals to confirm they adjusted as expected. If you're removing a large block of rows, consider doing it in one selection so Excel recalculates only once. Also, note that these exact key combinations apply to the Windows desktop version of Excel. On other platforms, the idea is the same, but specific keys may differ slightly. That's it. Select the row with Shift plus spacebar, remove it with Control minus, or use Alt HDR as an alternative. Practice these a couple of times, and deleting rows will feel effortless.